Cool. Hello, guys. We continue quadratics. This knowledge year 12. We are checking 1.8 together. Oh, you don't have the document? Okay, I can send to you. The document in Discord and WeChat. Because our 3 year 11 groups change to 6 or 7 year 12 groups for 2022. Okay, so we, yeah, you need to check the subject you choose at school and check which group more suitable for you. So our 3 year 11 groups change to 6 or 7 year 12 groups. In year 11, in year 10, we have to memorize this formula. For quadratic equation, how we solve the roots of the solution. How we solve roots of solution. This is the formula. It's called the quadratic formula. Okay, everybody on. Yeah, this is typical year 10, year 11 algebra. Quadratic formula. And of course, for this formula, a not 0. If a is 0, it's not even a quadratic. Just change to linear equation. So that's quadratic formula. But today we don't do solving equation. Today we don't have like a quadratic equation we need to solve for x. Today we focus on how many roots. Disappear. Yeah, we focus on the number of roots. Number of roots. Like when you try to solve the quadratic equation, how many values you have? Oh, don't worry, like, yeah, you can send me later. Today is the last lesson for this year. Next year, we restart in January, beginning of January. Okay? Check here, everybody know this quadratic formula. But we have 3 cases as shown in the table. For this example, a just 1. A is the number in front of x squared. Or we can say a is the coefficient of x squared. B is 2. C -8. So if you try to use the quadratic formula, we got b squared minus 4ac. The example gave you the b squared minus 4ac. 36. So when we do plus minus, we got 2 possible roots. We say 2 distinct real roots. Real number, kind of all the numbers you learned so far. Okay, for the second example, Lina, for the second example, what's A, what's B, what's C?
A is 1, B is 6, C is 9.
Very good. But for this question, when we try to use the formula, we found here 0. Which means when you do plus minus, you just plus minus 0. Same thing, 2 equal real roots. This PDF we used for 3 weeks already. Last week and the week before. Okay, for next one, Bo, what's A, what's B, what's C? Bo, Brandon.
1, 2, 6.
Yes. And when we calculated underneath the square root of b squared minus 4ac, we got negative value. And we cannot do square root of negative, except we're learning something more. So this one, no real roots, no real solution, or no real roots. So that's the theory part. Okay. All the part we checked is b squared minus 4ac. Official name, discriminant. Discriminant. For discriminant, we actually got a symbol. Okay, b squared minus 4ac. Johnny, do you know the name? How we pronounce this character? This is Greek. Anyone know the name for this Greek letter? It's a triangle.
Delta?
Yeah, it's like the variant, you know, the virus thing, delta. Yeah, this is delta. Delta. It's a triangle. Uppercase delta is a triangle. Okay. Lowercase delta is like this. Okay. So b squared minus 4ac helps you determine the number of real roots if it's bigger than 0. two distinct real roots. Equal 0, two equal real roots. Less than 0, no real roots. This knowledge in New Zealand syllabus, year 12. Okay. So that's the knowledge. You need to copy down this part. Of course, you need to copy down here. It's based on ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, a not 0. This is the knowledge. Copy down this knowledge. We are going to use it. Aiden, don't worry. The textbook said you can do 2 equal roots or 1 repeated root. Same thing. Same thing. You can use any. Okay. It's time to use the knowledge. The equation equals 0. It's really like y equals 0. You find the x-intercept. So bigger than 0, b squared minus 4ac delta are bigger than 0. You got 2 x-intercept. Equal 0, just 1. Could be inverted. Less than 0, you're away from x-axis. No x-intercept. These two parts, same thing. Two parts, same thing. Same thing. Just the bottom one give you some graph or geometry idea. Okay. Let's check questions. Let's check some questions together. 1H. For each question, check. For each question. We need to determine if it's quadratic. We have ax squared bx plus c equals 0. So we need to find what's a, what's b, what's c. Right? What's delta, which is b squared minus 4ac. Roots. Or we say number of real roots. Okay. Let's check one question together. Bo, you didn't respond. For question A, the first one. 1, -12, 36. So if we calculate b squared minus 4ac, b squared yeah, 0. Okay, so if you cannot talk, oh, but you cannot hear anything. Okay, I'll switch off the video to make the data like less data. Maybe then you can hear. Two equal roots here. Hey, Victoria, for question B, what are A, B, C? Alina, Jesse is with you.
Yeah.
Because her mom asking like how to pick Jesse, pick up Jesse. 1, Victoria correct. 5, -36. So b squared 4ac. Yeah, this is 169. Positive. Bigger than 0. So we say 2. Distinct. Distinct just means difference. Different. Distinct roots. That's AB. C. Yan. Complete the table for the row of C.
Wait, me?
Oh yeah. Your family name is Yan. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. 1 for A, 9 for B, and 2 for C.
Very good. So b squared minus 4ac, which is, Mike, what's the value?
$73.
Yeah. Bigger than 0. 2 distinct roots. So if you sketch graph, for A, the graph look like here. The graph. For B and C, the graph just like here. 2 distinct roots. Everybody try to finish DEF and message me. Finish DEF and message me. Finish DEF and message me. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, coffee. Okay. Yeah, because we just start this topic, so we need to show more details of working. Form, negative form, 1. Make sure I use brackets right here. Yeah, 0, 2, equal root. Good, Alina. Two, negative 7, 8. B squared. Again, guys, today is the last lesson for this term. And our 3 year 11 groups split into 6 or 7 year 12 groups. Okay, try to choose the one, yeah, suitable for you. This b squared minus 4ac less than 0. Oh, which is no real roots. The last one, 3, 10, negative 2. B squared minus 4ac bigger than 0. 2, distinct. Real roots are real roots. Equal real roots. We better write more specific. 2 equal real roots. 2 distinct real roots. That's number 1. Yeah, the knowledge. We don't have to work it out the value. We just check plus minus. Okay? We just check the part inside the square root. If this part bigger than 0, okay, two distinct real roots. If equal to 0, two equal real roots. If less than 0, no real roots. Good, Queenie. Michael Ma, any question? Oh, how many percent got the school result? Your school result before scaling, how many percent? You got the result on Monday. Oh, that's pretty good. Sawadika, how many percent you got? Message me. Message me. Wow, good. Okay, that's here, huh? So this one really just use b squared minus 4ac. Oh, Sakum, you need to ask the teacher fix it. Okay. You, number 2. Eh? What's A? What's B? What's C? What's the discriminant? Oh, calculated. Bigger than 0, equal 0, less than 0, which one? Guys, try to find ABC first. Everybody, try to find ABC. Okay. This question is not a quadratic equation. We need to simplify. Bring x to the left side. Expand it. Make one side 0. Make one side 0. Very good, Aiden. Very good, Second. Of course, you can write this all just opposite, equivalent, b squared. Yeah, no. Ayo, this is negative 76, less than 0. No real roots. Very good. Alina and Jesse, no real roots. Okay, nice. That's number 2. We are checking number 4 now. We try this side. This side homework. Part 4. B. The working like a really typical. What's A? What's B? What's C? What's B squared minus 4AC? Yeah, equal roots equal 0. Okay. Ayo, this algebra a bit more. Oh, no. not about the distinct roots. It's about equal roots. You solve for k. Find the values of k. Yeah. Here, Hey, we got the value, k equals 1 or 4. That's for B. That's for B. Guys, try D. D is harder. D is harder. D is harder. Okay. For D, A is 1, B is -2, C for quadratics, before we use b squared minus 4ac, you need to make one side 0. So C is a big part. That's ABC. That's ABC. Again, b squared minus 4ac equals 0, because they very beginning they ask you, we got 2 equal roots. B squared 4ac. we need to solve for k. Jesse said k equals 1. Okay, let's have a look. 4 minus 4 plus. I would just say 1 minus. Oh, it says divided by 4. K just equals 0 or 2. Guys, for D, K equals 0 or 2. 0 or 2. Everybody try to work out F and message me. I did B and D. You guys try F. Good, Mike. Okay. F. A4. B. C. B square. The negative outside the square just same as here. 2 equal roots, we make b squared minus 4 is equal 0. Oh, I didn't expand it. Yeah. Some student got wrong, That's the answer for F. Okay. Negative 10. That's the answer for number 4. Oh, square root of 144, just 12. Square root of 144, just 12. Yeah, like something square equals 144 plus minus square root of 144, which is positive 12 or negative 12. The PDF I shared in Discord and WeChat. That's holiday homework. Practice during holiday. Even you got the result pretty low this year, don't worry. Christmas holiday, you practice algebra. You will be more confident for year 12, for next year. Okay. Algebra, most important foundation.
Sam,
Yeah,
I have a question for F.
yeah.
Previously you say B is negative brackets K minus 2, right? But in the in the equation you didn't write the negative symbol in and just directly.
Yeah, because I skipped one step. If you have negative here, when you square it, for example, negative 5 squared and 5 squared, the same. Same.
Okay.
Or if we got negative K minus 3 squared, this is same as K plus 3 squared. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, because inside the square, everything make opposite. The value no change. Yeah, like inside, for example, 5 plus 3 square, just same as negative 5 minus 3 square. Okay, good question, good question. Very good question. This is for 2 equal roots. Oh, distinct roots. Again, actually, all other exercise homework, not just this several, the whole document homework. Okay. B. D. F. This time, we need A, we need a B, we need a C, we need a delta B squared minus 4AC. Oh, they told you distinct roots bigger than 0. Everybody, try B. Try B. Nice. Yo, Aiden finished 5F already? Okay, let's check together. 5B. Yo, A just 2. B just -5. C. You need to rearrange K -4. B squared. Aiden correct. Very good. Second, A just a coefficient of x squared, which is here. B, the whole thing. C. Okay. Of course, we prefer this. Check D and F. This knowledge in Cambridge IB NCEA year 12.感觉是超市冰箱，随便开。开多久了？我都出去1个多小时了。D A K B 2K minus 1 C K U B square minus 4AC bigger than 0 because we need 2 distinct roots. B square 4AC 哎呀。Mike and double check. Aiden. Oh, double check. Hayden got same as me, but my answer not perfect. My answer not perfect. Why not perfect? Who can tell me, why my answer not perfect? Anyone can tell me why my answer not perfect? Anyone can answer the question? Why my answer not perfect? K cannot be 0. If big A, if the number in front of x squared 0, you have linear equation. You don't have x squared anymore. So just one solution. You don't have two distinct roots. So A not 0. Two distinct roots, condition A not 0, B squared minus 4AC bigger than 2. Okay. Okay, so K cannot be 0. Less than half, but not 0. Everybody try F. Today, knowledge very important. Oh. Yeah, not 0, Well, we have ABC now. 哎呀, this one probably hard, huh? B squared minus 4ac bigger than 0. A just k. Expanded. Negative 16k plus 25 bigger than 0. For inequality, if you times by negative, reverse direction. And k cannot be 0. Right, this question very important. Okay. This question very important. Oh, next one. No real roots. 3 cases. We finished 2 of them. Oh, if k equals 0, if the number here, this is quadratic equation. If a equals 0, you just got to bx plus c. You cannot have 2 roots. Not quadratic. The formula is based on quadratic. It's for quadratic. Okay, now working really typical. A just 3, B just 5, C just K plus 1. We need a B squared minus 4AC less than 0. Ayo. Young Alina, our direction different. Guys, double check. If you got different, message me. This question K bigger than somebody. Okay. Hey. Okay. Yeah, sometimes I made the similar mistake. D. Ayo. B square. Eh? Still a bit different. Make a double check. The answer is still a little bit different from my one. Okay. Guys, check if you got 60. F. You need to combine like terms. Here, not 0. Okay, b squared. Okay. A, B, C, b squared minus 4ac. So we got k squared 14k. Really? Guys, double check this one. This inequality we cannot solve because we haven't learned. Later.